Hello, my name is Jeff, and I am the co-founder of Lobo Leads, and I believe my wife Megan spoke with you recently about a quick website audit to show you where your company is ranking currently and how Microgrant Painting LLC stacks up to its competition, as well as various factors of your website search engine optimization. In this video, I'll go over a few specifics on SEO, and I'll show you how beating your competitors online can have a huge benefit for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining new customers. So the things I'm going to go over today are website content optimization and backlinks and keywords. So firstly, as far as your website goes, Megan mentioned that you hired on a new digital marketing company, and it's apparent this is a very good-looking website. It's very eye-catching and very easy to navigate. You have your menu bar up here that has your different services, testimonials, gallery, so on and so forth. You have a nice call to action here for getting a quote. And then you have your testimonial crawler here, or carousel, that just rotates out those different testimonials. So overall, I do like how the website looks. Now, one thing that you definitely want to pinpoint on your homepage is going to be content. And you don't want just any content, you want high quality content, because what Google is looking for is an authoritative source of information that will provide answers and provide services to the people using Google. Now, to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like commercial painters Miami, painting companies in Miami, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will be the one that pops up. Now, the website itself may not be completed. Maybe they're working on the content for you right now. I don't know. But as far as the content goes, it is pretty minimal. And you don't want to include testimonials in that content count. So the reason for the 1,500 to 2,000 word mark is because it allows you to inject keyword phrases and build content around them. Because again, what Google's looking for is organic keywords that are placed throughout your homepage that makes sense where they're placed. So if you're talking about commercial painters in Miami, you're going to have some content built around it that is talking about businesses and contracting and things like that. So that's the reason for the 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. And again, it's the front door to your website. So you want it to be fairly informative, because the more clicks people have to do to find the service that they're looking for, the less likely they will be to convert into an actual paying customer. So another thing that I did want to touch on is your website's actual speed optimization. Now, this is a tool that is used by Google developers. It's called PageSpeed Insights. And what it does is it measures basically gives you a rating of how quickly your website loads on either mobile devices or regular desktops. So as you can see here, your mobile device rating is a 28. Your desktop is actually sitting really well at a 72. And all that means is that it takes longer for your page to actually load and process effectively for people using mobile devices, which are a lot of people, especially when they're looking up different services and things like that. So it gives you tips on how to optimize your page for mobile. See here it says eliminate render blocking resources, and so you just go down the line and optimize those, or I guess you would have your digital marketing company do that, so that you are optimized for both mobile and desktop experiences for your users. Because again, that's something that Google is targeting heavily, is user experience. How easy is it for someone to access your site, navigate your site, and enjoy your site? So The next thing I wanted to go over is something called backlinks, and it is related to keywords because you want to pair those together in the most optimal way so that you rank quicker and higher compared to your competition. Now, backlinks can be viewed as a bit of a popularity contest because that's how Google judges the credibility and trustworthiness of your site. It's by how many websites are pointing back at you and the quality of those websites. So you get a lot more power and influence from a website that's dedicated to, say, a commercial painter's blog or a popular website that features various types of home services, as opposed to like your local Domino's Pizza. The tool we use to gauge that is called Ahrefs. Now, again, because you have a relatively new digital marketing company, this right here is not going to be entirely built out because it does take time to build up a backlink profile. But what you have right now is 11 referring domains, so 11 websites pointing back to you 16 times. Right now you're targeting 2 keywords. And ideally that all those numbers will grow over time. You want those keywords to be in there with the content. So that's the reason that you want both content and backlinks to be working harmoniously to get you to that rank spot. And again, your organic traffic right now is 0. That will build over time as your SEO optimizes, or your SEO gets better. For example, one of your competitors in Miami, Paint Pros Miami, they have 28 backlinks from 17 different domains. They're targeting 199 keywords, and they have an organic traffic of 358. So they have a lot of traffic going to their site. They don't have a whole lot of referring domains and backlinks. That just goes to show how easy it can be to rank for some of these top keywords, and then you can start drawing that traffic your way. So I hope that this was informative for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss it further, please contact Megan at 210-865-0718. Thank you so much again, and have a great rest of your day.